Hey you guys, my name is Dio. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I'm gonna be a mukbang. I'm just gonna answer some questions because I don't really know what else to say or do. Today I am eating some food my mom cooked, prepared for us, prepared for me, not for us, for me, only for me. Not y'all can't have none of this. This is my plate. This is my plate. Alright, look though. So we got some roast beef, potatoes, mac and cheese, and green beans. You feel me? I would show y'all, but while I got my phone set up, I can't take it off and show y'all nothing like that. But it's gonna be a Q&A. You feel me? Let me go ahead. Man. All right, so let me go ahead and take a bite real quick before I start off. Man, that's good. All right. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? Favorite day to spend a day off? With my girl. My favorite day to spend a day with my girl. Chill, watch a couple movies, eat some snacks, you feel me? Play the game for sure. We got it in now playing the game. Or hanging out with the guys. I mean, that'd be lit too. I mean, in the comments below, text me, what's your favorite way to spend a day off? You feel me? Alright, what type of music are you into? I am into hip hop. I mean, I got different genres I like, but hip hop is my main. No rap. I like country music here and there. I like some songs like gospel. No, that always hit different. What's the best vacation you ever took and why? Probably my vacation to Florida with my family. It was 12 of us, I believe. My uncles, my aunties. And we went to Florida. We went to, where did we go? We went to Orlando Studios. Yeah. My first time ever riding a roller coaster. An actual roller coaster. My cousin D, my uncle. And that was fun. Yeah, that was new. It was scary at first. And I was like, this ain't that bad. I could do this more often. Did I do it? No. But I could though. Like, this right here is just so good. What's the next place on your travel bucket list and why? I don't have a travel bucket list. Why? Because I'm 17 years old. Where am I gonna go? I have no idea. If you could travel somewhere, where would you go? Put it in the comments below. But I'm too young to travel by myself, so I don't go anywhere. But I was of age, probably to Costa Rica. Just because. I mean, a reason why. The place just sounds fun. Or New Mexico. That sounds fun too. What was your favorite age growing up? I'll say for sure right now. Because right now my life isn't bad. I just got done with high school. You know, I get to relax a little bit. So I'll say right now, I don't really have a favorite. I said at least. What's the last thing you read? I read a book. Don't know what it was called. A book my mom gave me. It's about finding yourself. It's a really good book. I only read the first chapter though. I didn't finish it. But really nice. I enjoyed it at least. Would you say you're more of an extrovert or introvert? I'm an introvert. I hate being outside. I don't hate being out, but I'm not really a big fan of like being out either. Why? I don't know, but you know, I don't really like being outside. Or to be around people in general. Like when I'm around people, they drain my energy. It's weird. I just don't like being like around too many people. What's your favorite ice cream topping? I'm gonna say cookies, Oreos, or gummy bears. That's only because when I was a kid, I used to get on my ice cream all the time, so it stuck with me. Gummy bears hit for sure. What was the last TV show you binge watched? Actually, I actually binge watched. Like I was really into it. Probably Euphoria. Other than that, not really thinking anything else. I'm gonna say Euphoria for sure. Are you into broadcast and do you listen? Oh. Not into broadcast. Kind of weird. I didn't say it's weird, but I just can't listen to people talk all the time. I get bored. I listen to music 24/7, but I can't listen to podcasts. Do you have a favorite holiday? Why not? No. Not no more. It used to be 4th of July, but as I got older, it's not as fun anymore. After like COVID, it kind of like ruined my favorite holidays because they don't be as fun as it used to be. Like Christmas used to be the whole family get together, do gift exchange. All my cousins in one place, but now it's like, you know, a couple people here, a couple people there. It's not the same. It's boring. Well, when COVID didn't come, man, would have been lit. Yeah. Why?
Did you hear what happened on the 26th at 7 a.m.?
No, what?
I don't know.
That was weird. Okay. Do you like going to movies or do you prefer watching at home? The movies. It's because the display is better. If I had a movie set up, probably being at home, but the seats are comfortable, it's louder, and just the theme. It'd be cold. The setting. It'd be cold, chilly. You gotta, you know, it's scarier. It depends on the movie you watch. It's just a better feeling at the movies than it is at home. At home in your bed, you are more likely to fall asleep. So, not that fun. What's your go-to guilty pleasure? I don't have a guilty pleasure. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna skip that question. And sometimes you rather go to the beach or go camping. Maybe camping. I don't know. Not really a big fan of either of them. And because I don't like the feel of sand on my toes. Right? I thought that is weird. I just don't like the feeling of sand on my body. I hate when it gets stuck. And it's just weird. I would rather camping is weird too. Camping is fun. I never went camping, but I went to summer camps. It was cool, but it's just like I'm not really a big fan of nature. Not nature. It's the things that's in nature. I'm not a fan of like. I could have a bear come up with me. What am I gonna do? Except for die. And now it's an RIP shirt. I got smoked by a bear. Who gonna help me with a bear? Nobody. So I'm gonna be dead. Like, imagine you die to a bear. Like, went out to a bear. Like, that's so boo. Like, that's how you want to end your life? A bear? Like, killed by a bear? How old you had your first celebrity crush? I'm like, maybe 10, 11. And it was Zendaya, you know? Zendaya is a 10. It was my first celebrity crush ever. Yeah, probably 12 or 11. Whenever I started noticing girls, so I'm gonna say 10 or 11. What meal is your favorite? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? It depends who's cooking it, you know? I said if my grandma cooking breakfast, if my mom cooking breakfast, that's my favorite. If my granny cooking lunch, if my mom cooking dinner. So be hitting, you feel me? Like, so good. Alright, I'm gonna say dinner. Dinner, my favorite for sure. What song always get you out on the dance floor? No, I don't dance. You see me? I'm too handsome to be dancing. No, I'm playing, but I don't dance at all though. It's, not really my thing. When you're a kid, did you eat the crust on your sandwich or not? Yes. And if you don't eat the crust on your sandwich, you're weird. You're weird. In fact, if you don't eat the crust on your sandwich, like the video and subscribe. But you're still weird. Like, this is so weird. Like, when I see kids like pick off the crust, I just be like, what are you doing? Just put it in your mouth and eat it. Just eat it. It's not that bad. Eat it. What activity instantly calms you? Can't say that on camera. How would you spend your money on your birthday? First, I would look an outfit or something like that. It's because during the time right now, go get some gas, something to drink, and then put the rest of my savings account. I sat there ready. What do you do on your commute to work? So I wake up, take a shower. After I take my shower, I put my clothes, start my car up, go get a drink of water or something. Then go get in my car. Turn on some music, head straight to work. Don't do anything else. Head straight to work. And maybe if I get up early enough, let the dogs out. But that's rare. So, listen, get up, take a shower. Once I get done, my shower take like 20, 30 minutes. Like I'm on my shower. I really only got like 12 minutes left to get to work. Work is 6 minutes away. So I go straight to work. Man, that was a great meal for the day. You know, that was top tier. I mean, feeling too fast and I ain't clean my plate fully, so let me finish the leftovers off. There we go. That's how you do it right there. I forgot my bed. So, I'll finish the video up. Oh, get some water, you feel me? But, that was a cool video. First video ever. I think I'm finna, go ahead and end the video off here. Thank you guys for watching the full video all the way through. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I should eat next. Well, maybe I should do a Chick-fil-A mukbang. But only nuggets, though. Nuggets only. So I ain't too full. Or a mukbang with only lemonades. Or I just drink the whole video. That's fire. Top tier idea, I feel like. But, alright,